Hello everybody. Well today, I have yet another outstanding product, which I know for a fact it will be. And I decided to use my most recent paycheck for this. Voila. Predator Guard. That's why I ordered. Hope it works. It's automatic, solar powered, maintenance free, weatherproof, humane, half-mile range, stops nocturnal predators. Good to go. Caution, good to know. Now, there is a way to protect your livestock and all that, from predators, and it's using this. Like, as stated, you can use this to protect your garden. Like, like if you have ducks protecting your garden, this will keep the nocturnal predators away. It should work. I really hope so, that this works. And now another thing I'll say is, of course, I have another Predator Guard item coming to work in the daytime. And so yeah, it looks like for right now I chose to spend my money on predator protection for Flippo and Flipette. And I really hope this works. I guess this will work at night, because these things here, will flash. And it'll trick what's here into believing that there's another predator. Now, I will say this, that I had fortunately had 3 chickens, which had fallen to prey, and I'm sorry I did not really get to show you much, except for maybe in some of my airsoft shooting videos. I've shown you brief moments of my chickens. Now, they were given to me as my 23rd birthday present by my brother. And now, they had fallen to prey right around Halloween of 2017. Now, here's the Predator Guard. These nails here I'll hold on to otherwise for quite a while. See how things go here. Solar power. Excuse me. Oh, these are small. My first thought was when I opened this thing was I asked for 4. And well, it looks like it. I have 4. A warranty. Always have these. And it's good for 3 years. Oh! This thing's flashing lights! As I stated, these lights here are actually depicting predators' eyes. And of course, I've seen ads about this, and what it usually does is trigger the animal's flight response. There's a button back here I was pressing earlier. And I was testing the item. It's a red button right here. Whoa. Well, you saw it. Safe to say. And now, time to put these to work. I'm just going to turn these on. If you saw a flash of red, that's what that meant. Let's trigger the flight response of an animal. Ooh, flashing red. If you have epilepsy, I advise be careful watching this video. Any of you have epilepsy, known as seizures from flashing lights. Yeah, I said it. Hey, come on. Instructions are here. Well, you have to charge these in the sun, so I'll turn these off for now. I just read, so you can see here. Oh yeah, I just read. You gotta take this tape off here, if you can see. We'll go for all 4 of them. If I were you, I'd get 4 of these, at least. Well, the reason I say 4 of these is because, you know, that should be enough, you know, to keep nocturnal predators away, you know, from your animals in the daytime, or actually in the nighttime. Now, another thing I have ordered, you know, is reflective tape to keep the pests away in the daytime. And what it's supposed to do is reflect off the sun, and of course, when it's windy, it's supposed to make a fluttering noise to keep the pests away. Well, that's all I have for now. And we'll see you all around.